How to play Monopoly Go with friends. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can play Monopoly Go with friends. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open up your Monopoly Go app. To play Monopoly Go with your friends is you need to invite them, of course. To invite friends is you just need to tap the friends button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, there's two options to add or invite a friends in Monopoly Go. There's the contacts. If you click this, you can choose one of your contacts to play with you. And the second one is the invite button. If you click this, it allows you to share the link of the app or invite your Facebook friends through Messenger. This only works if you connect your Facebook account here in Monopoly Go. And that's how to play Monopoly Go with friends. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.